We were here first, man. I know what you want me to do. Yeah, and so are you. You were turning all the way back that way. Now you're drifting this way. We're here. I didn't cut in front of you. I'm just drifting with the water, just like you're doing, man. Come on, don't be a dickhead. Look, we'll get out of your way. We got no problem here, man. You're the one with the problem. We're just kayaking. I don't care. Dude, you're in a boat. You can go anywhere you want. We're just drifting in the water. We're parked right here. Whatever, buddy. Whatever. Ridiculous. Okay, buddy, whatever you want to say. We were here first. I don't care what you say, man. I'm getting out of your way. I don't care who I'm talking to, dog. Oh, you keep running your fucking mouth, dog. You're the one talk first, dog. I had no problem with you. Oh, you need an ass whooping, buddy. Shut up. You're an idiot. You don't need to be here. You got a boat, dog. We're in kayaks. Shut up. I don't care. Stop talking, bro. Stop. I don't care. Make sure. Hey, you recording?
Yeah.
Good.
Are you?
Yeah.
People like that, dude. Like, dude, we were drifting with the current.
Yeah.
All the way over here. Like, he had to get the fucking way.
And he was turned that way. I didn't think he was going to come all the way down here, so that's why I got it this way.
And then I didn't know what the hell he was saying at first. Fucking,
I knew he was going to say something. I started recording.
you know, I started to get out of the fucking way, and I started to realize, hey, I'm fucking drifting.
Yeah.
Get out of the fucking way.
He said I need an ass beating. I said, you need an ass beating, old man.
Yeah. I should change up my lure, too. I caught fucking like 30 fish back there.
I don't know what your deal is, buddy. I ain't worried about him. I could take him.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all on camera. He ain't done anything wrong yet, but I'll fuck that guy up. Put the Pirates of the Caribbean music on, dock his boat, ahoy matey! Give him the left Captain Hook. When did you start recording?
Whenever he started going towards you.
Okay.